So Hausrath Landscape Maintenance was started by my parents, Kevin and Christine Hausrath, as a small snow plowing firm. They were looking to bring in a couple extra dollars to help out, so Dad began plowing a couple driveways.
My kids loved the machinery, so they bit right into it and they enjoyed it. And they grew with it, and it grew with them. And it became such a component that they are so deeply invested in this business.
In 1987, Mom and Dad sat my brother Steve and I down and talked about this concept of diversification and doing something else. And through that, Bison Turf Equipment, our retail and rental outlet, was born. Bison Turf Equipment is a separate business that my family has that is a commercial grounds care equipment dealership focusing largely on lawn maintenance equipment and snow removal equipment. However, we also offer rental equipment.
We are today probably 90 to 95% commercial with 5 to 10% residential, and we sell to contractors, landscapers, municipalities. Well, one of the things that has really impacted our business that has helped us is that MT85, allowing us to get in areas that we would normally have to do by hand with a machine, and the productivity of that machine is just incredible. We've been doing business with Bobcat of Buffalo for a number of years. The Bobcat brand has never let me down.
We rely on the Bobcat brand to supply our customers with their rentals because the equipment is great quality, it's reliable, it's durable. We have confidence that we can put it out there and not expect any trouble.
I really feel that the right choices in equipment are what make the job easier, it makes it go faster, and it puts more money back into your pocket.